Hello and welcome to How to Design a Deck with Trex. The first thing you want to do is head over to trex.com and check out the Ideas page. Search through the most popular categories like the Style Inspiration category to find an interesting style, the Expert Advice category to learn what the pros are doing, and the My Trex Story category for inspirational stories from other Trex homeowners. Next, head over to the Deck Planning Resources page on trex.com. There's a bunch of tools that are very helpful in planning out your deck, like the color selector that lets you compare colors across all of Trex decking lines. There's the cost calculator that helps you quickly get a cost estimate for the materials for your deck plan. There's the deck starter where you can design your deck in 3 simple steps. When you're done, it even gives you a cost estimate for your project. There's the deck designer, which is an online 3D modeler that you can use to build out your deck. You can add stairs, multiple levels, and more to make your design your own. Plus, it will give you a cost estimate for your materials, a blueprint for your plan, and a shopping list customized to your build. If you want to see how your deck will look in real life, use the Augmented Reality or AR Visualizer app to see it in your own backyard. Next, it's highly recommended that you order some decking to get an in-person feel for how your deck will look with your home. Lastly, you want to head over to the How to Build a Deck page, which has a whole library of tutorials from Trex Academy that shows you how to build a deck from start to finish. If you aren't sure your DIY skills are up to par, there's a DIY quiz that can help you decide if DIY is right for you. Hopefully after watching this video, you'll know how to design the deck of your dreams. This has been How to Design a Deck with Trex.